I'm going to teach you today how to program your Compustar remote transmitters. On my bench I have a one-way AS, which is just a one-way AM technology alarm remote start combo. This programming sequence that I'm going to show you now will work across the board on any Compustar system you have. Okay, so all there is to it is super easy. I don't have a key, but I'm going to use this wire here as a jumper to show my module I'm turning the key on and off. So you get into your vehicle, you're going to turn your key on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Once you get a chirp and a click from the module, you hit lock in your first remote. It'll confirm back. Second remote, third and fourth, etc. Once you turn your key off or wait 15 seconds, it'll time out automatically and the programming sequence will be completed, and that's all there is to it. So we've already completed these two one-way remotes that came with the system, and that's that. But now I'm going to take it a step further and show you something else. If you actually had this one-way AM system and you got tired of it, or you wanted to do a little upgrade, easy enough to do. You would have to go to your module, unplug your antenna cable. The antenna itself has this little cap which you just pop right off, and below is hidden just the 4-pin plug. You can just push on the connector, pull it out, and you can discard of this, because now we're going to get something better. Like in this case, I'm going to use this LED two-way remote. We sell these, they're really popular. A lot of people buy them all at the time. Okay, so we're going to be a one-way, we're going to be a two-way in about 1 second. So what you're going to do is just take that new antenna cable. Actually, in some of these cases, the cables are actually interchangeable, but you'll have to see in your own scenario, in your own car, if that is the case. It couldn't hurt to try. If it doesn't work, of course, you could just pull the cable out and do it the way I'm doing it. So I plugged it into the module, plugged it into the antenna, put that little cosmetic cap back up on there. Okay, so we're going to reprogram the new remotes. You can't have these and you can't have these at the same exact time, though. You can, if you have a one-way AM antenna, you have to use AM remotes. But if you're going to an FM or an SH series, which is what I'm doing, you have to have the corresponding transmitters that go with the antenna. Okay? So the same thing applies. You're going to get into the car, turn the key on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. You get that chirp and the click from the module. Hit lock. Get a confirmation. On the second one, confirmation done. I have my two remotes programmed, and that's it. Now I have a two-way. And that's very simple. That's all there is to do in Compustar transmitters.